Let's hope this works. I've had so many issues with this damn GoPro lately. But I'm up to the UP. That's the fucking Mackinac Bridge. This is my fucking Harley. We're gonna cross it. So I'm hoping it's not too crazy windy. I know last time they had construction, so I had to ride on the grading. I'm not a fan of riding on the grading. I don't really think anybody's a fan of being on the grading, but we do what we gotta do. I'm also getting over a head cold, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds funky compared to normal. I'm hoping y'all can see good. I haven't recorded on the Harley since the last time I actually posted on the Harley. So I'm hoping that where it's set up is good. I'm hoping the wiring isn't messing up, because then y'all won't be able to hear me if that happens. Once I actually get to the point of being onto the bridge, I'm 100% not going to cut anything else out. It is car show weekend up here. That's why I'm up here. I do not know if I will record any of the car show because they close off the entire street, so I can't get down there with the motorcycle to ride around and record things like this. However, that does not mean that I won't walk around and take pictures and maybe make like a little compilation or something like that. So this bridge is very long. It connects the lower peninsula to the upper peninsula. Nice Chevy. Be a lot of nice cars up here. You're gonna hear me say nice car, like every so many feet depending on what's going on. So gear yourselves for that now. Originally I was gonna bring the Honda up here, but the rear rim decided it wanted to bite the bullet, so I no longer am able to ride that until the guy that I have in contact with in Wisconsin can ship me the rear wheel off in his. I mean, there's some other goodies coming with it too. It's a totaled out bike he's parting out, so I'm not really like super concerned, you know, about when it's gonna get here. I had this one to ride too. It's leaking oil, I know where from, but otherwise it's pretty good. GTO. I ain't doing no 49. Now you're right, I am doing 44. Nice fucking crew cab square body. Yeah, I refuse to ride on the grate because you can look straight down. And I kind of am. I don't like that. My heights do not like that. Not when I'm moving anyway. So fun fact for y'all. It was actually on Dirty Jobs too. So if you don't believe me, you can look up the clip. I might link it down below actually. But the whole time that you're on this bridge, a suspension bridge, a lot like the Golden Gate, it's actually swaying back and forth while you're on it. That's just a fun little tidbit. Oh, they got the schooner out there going across. It's very cool. At least I think that's a schooner. It could just be like a different barge and I'm mistaking it for something else. One never knows. Ooh, he's speeding. Ooh. A lot of bikes up here this weekend. I mean, it's nice out. Ooh, I like that C10. A lot. No, I think that's not even... I think that's just a random boat that looks like the scooter at a distance until I get to the right angle, because I no longer see like what appears to be sails on it. I think that might just be the bridge. So, Squid got it wrong. What do you want to do? I'm not boat guy, I'm bike guy. I've got my 360 camera in here. I'm going to put it on my handlebars when I get across. This is going to be a standalone video. Well, I mean, it'll go up on Sunday like normal, but it's going to be standalone. And then the stuff I get while cruising through downtown, hopefully when there's stuff still going on for the car show. I know Thursday was pretty lively, but I wasn't up here Thursday. So hopefully Friday night, which is tonight, is pretty lively too. While I'm at least cruising through, so I can get some good recording. Apparently they're all afraid of putting their hand down when they're on the bridge, but you know, whatever. Step side. It'll also be my first time running the 360 on the Harley. The last time I ran it, it was on the sport bike. Nice, that's 10. Yep, that's all she was. Not too bad. I know a lot of people get anxiety on there, which is understandable, but it's already over. It wasn't even that long. I did most of it one-handed, too. Nice Bronco. Lowered forward step side. That might be stock height, I don't know. So I know the F-150s are lower than hell for like whatever reason. Just coast on into this one. Get my glove ready to come off. Woo. Hello. Thank you. Let me get the fuck out the way here. Oh, it's cold on the hand without the glove. It's chillier than I thought up here. Alright, so that was the Mackinac Bridge. Hopefully you all enjoyed that. You know, the whole probably 5 minutes of content I got out of that.